How to delete message in LinkedIn. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete any message on LinkedIn app. First, you need to download LinkedIn from your Google Play Store or App Store, and then you want to launch the app and then log into your account. So your home interface should be something like this. At the bottom, you can see different tabs like Home, My Network, Post, Notification, and Jobs. And on the top right corner, you will see this messages icon right here. You can tap on it to get in your DMs, and all of your messages should be shown right here. And one thing you want to make sure is that you have to choose this. So if you tap on this drop down at the top left, you can choose from different options like focused, others, archives, and spam. By default, it will be on focused and all of your DMs will be here. Now, in order to delete, you actually have two options. So the first one, if you just swipe left on the message, you get different options right here. So just swipe left. If you want to mark it as unread, you can do this. And if you just swipe left to delete, you get an option. Tap on more, and from here you get the option to delete conversation. But the other method you can do is long press on the message and you can directly delete from here. So once again, the first method is if you just swipe left, and the other method is if you just long press on the message. Tap on delete and you should be able to delete the message. I hope you found the video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.